This reading is for Taurus for the month of July, year 2023. Please check your moon, your rising, and your Venus. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. This is a general reading. Allah, please send Taurus 200 angels to stand, guard, guide, and protect. Allah, please send me 200 angels to stand, guard, guide, and protect me as I open this portal. I do not partner you with my divination, but I ask of you to guide me through so that my readings could be truthful, accurate, and honest. So Taurus, are you waking up? Is the illusion fading away? The Magician. You got the Magician here and you got the Four of Swords, okay? Rest from strife. Because you could be in judgment. The people around you could be in judgment. Loss of pleasure. The Five of Cups. All because of the Two of Swords, denial, half-truths you see with the crescent moon. And you see the Two of Swords. You see the blinders on this image eyes. You see that there's crossing of the heart, blocking out the truth. Now the truth is being shown, okay? Allah confirmed the Magician, the Four of Swords, Judgment, the Five of Cups, and the Two of Swords for Taurus. The Devil and the Ace of Pentacles and strife, yeah. Devil can be Capricorn energy. Strife is fire, okay? And the Ace of Pentacles, somebody sacrificed. They wanted to sacrifice you. I'm going to make this clear. Taurus. They wanted to sacrifice you, your marriage, your money. They wanted pure control. Now, because you're waking up, all hell is going to break loose. You gave an offer to the devil, and this is only for some Tauruses. You left a strong foundation. You left an earth angel for karmic family members, karmic friends, Jezebels. Now there's nothing but strife, right? You were told don't communicate. Don't communicate with your past person, and now it's too late. Now it's too late. You sacrificed your blessings. You sacrificed your blessings for the illusions of success. I'm being told don't switch energies. Don't switch energies. And this is why you're in the tower. Yeah. Somebody wanted to have a stronghold over you and your life. All for the Ace of Pentacles, your finances. Your finances you built with your person, with your Empress here, with the Hierophant. Your Empress or Emperor is close to God, is very smart, higher education, high learning, has religion, has faith, has professionalism, bends to authority, and does what she or he is supposed to do. You sacrifice that for the Seven of Cups, the illusion. Searching. Either you have to do some soul searching, or you were searching for the Ten of Pentacles here, which is wealth. You took wealth from the Hierophant. See, you didn't build that wealth by yourself. You didn't have that person in your life back then that was knowledgeable. If it wasn't for this empress or emperor that you were married to, you wouldn't had the Ten of Pentacles. You sacrificed your person to the devil only for strife on a false illusion of wealth. Broken promises here. This is also family members with the Ten of Pentacles. Family members, friends, was searching for a way to get you out. See, this was a match. Emperor and Empress. And your emperor or empress brought nothing but light to you. They didn't like that. The Ten of Pentacles, family, friends, they figured that you were shining too bright. You were doing better things than them. You wasn't doing what they were doing. You wasn't talking like them. You wasn't walking like them. You wasn't thinking like them. You were actually in the Four of Wands, a strong foundation with your empress or your emperor here. See, they're jealous of your person. You knew that. Your empress or your emperor was the Ten of Cups. But somebody made a foolish decision here. Somebody made a foolish decision here. Okay? To take a leap of faith. And this blinded justice. See, this justice, this Libra energy, this justice card is blinded. Okay? Somebody thought this was justified. But it was blinded justice. Only led to the Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords is going over in your head of past actions, causing someone misery and great pain and not holding any accountability. And now it's coming back full throttle because either you or these people did not want to hold any accountability. So now, under judgment and justice, the blinded justice means you can't see when bad things get ready to come. You can't see when Allah is about to throw the trap on you, the karmic family, all those involved. Because you were supposed to get out the way. You was not supposed to take this route. You were supposed to put in true work with the Eight of Pentacles. You were supposed to work on your love. Work on that balance. You took that and you were a player. You snatched that away. You took that away. Okay? You went elsewhere with it. And that was the blinded justice. You ran from material work. You decided to work with the Queen of Cups here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That's who you chose over your ordained person that came from God. And this Queen of Cups here, okay, did a cycle, a bad cycle on you. Because you was with the Queen of Wands. This Queen of Wands holds the true material success. This Queen of Wands said, you know what? I'm done. I'm walking away. And as this Queen of Wands walked away, and you were not allowed to conversate with him or her, they found new love. When you found that out due to spying, lying, being deceitful people, it brought nothing but burdens to you. This Queen of Wands has the Ace of Cups. Now you see that who the Ace of Cups was. Okay? Yeah. Show me more for Taurus. Yep. And it caused the death and ending only for a rebirth for you to wake up. We have abundance here. material success. Confirm abundance and material success. Volure, 7 of Wands. Princess of Wands. This Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is very successful. Okay? You got caught up in an illusion. You got stuck in the past and you ended up giving to the past. You supported the past. And with that being said, you contradicted yourself. Because these people have selfish interests. So when you went back, okay, you thought it was earned success. You were reconciling with people from the past that betrayed you over and over and over and over and over again. Yep. Just to ruin your wheel of fortune and your... Look, they ruined your wheel of fortune. Your family, the karmic, the friends, they all wanted you to be ruined. Show me, okay. Yep. To defeat you. It was all an illusion to defeat you. Tied you in to the 6 of Cups with somebody from your past that you denied. You denied this person from your past so long to where God said, okay, you want to keep lying? You want to keep hiding the truth? I'm going to place you with your own lies and reveal the truth within your situation. So the tower had to come down. Judgment is being played behind the blind justice. The blind justice is a defeat. It's revenge. It's being twisted and crafty, not wanting to balance out a situation. Too much ego and pride here. Too much ego, pride, and jealousy. And now look at you. Blinded pleasures. You rejected that cup. You rejected your wife. You rejected your husband. You rejected a good person. Okay? A good person that God sent you. And then you have the 3 of Cups here. That's what you was focused on. Your ships are not coming in. No, your ships is not coming in. Your past person that was good to you is not coming back to you. This is the truth with the Ace of Swords. So this is you gaining clarity. Is this you waking up? Is this you making an honorable and just decision? Because all what you have done, it was success unfulfilled. It was all lies. Great strength. Okay? You have to endure strength to get yourself to break free from this karmic family, from this nasty Jezebel. Okay? You have to endure strength and clarity here. And I do see you waking up, Taurus. Yep, because you're feeling left out in the cold. The reason why is because of what you did to your person that God blessed you with to bring you through, you know, and give you stability and unconditional love. You didn't want that. You didn't want it. You turned that down. So, you turned down perfected work with the 9 of Pentacles. This Queen of Wands, this fire sign, is doing it through God. Not other people. Not the devil. And with this World card, there's great positive changes. This Queen of Wands is gaining a lot of wealth. Your situation over here, it was a waste of time. This person is gaining balance. Complete balance. And healed. Yep, strength, Leo. Completely healed. Has hopes, inspirations, and dreams. You never supported your person. You got this Queen of Pentacles here who is now under the moon being tested. Her or his faith is being tested here. Because this Queen of Pentacles thought they had earthly power. Now, this Queen of Pentacles, which is a family member, has always been an enemy of yours. Always caused conflict spells. Always manipulated you. made sure that you didn't have any children, made sure you didn't have any success, didn't want to see you in anything to build with your wife or your husband. This chick, because it's a female energy, has a mental disease and she needs some type of help. The moon, faith and ethics is being tested here. This is the unknown, it's the mystery. Secret deception, enemies, bad luck, paranoia, anxiety of being caught, and she's caught. Yep. You want to move forward. You want to move forward, but something has you tied and bound. King of Cups. King of Cups to the Chariot. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, this King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio was sneaky as hell. Unstable effort. So you were manipulated as always. Because this family of yours always put witchcraft, always manipulated you, always controlled you, always put you down, never gave a damn about what you want is what they want, very controlling. So how could you try to hurt this person that God sent to you? Okay, you forgot where you came from, and now you're back where you came from, and you don't like it. You don't like it. You want to be back here with this entrepreneur that works through God and have material success. That doesn't mean anything, really. That's part of the dunya. But God is blessing this earth angel here. And you're going through strife and going through the illusions. You're going through some things. So what you went towards with the Chariot, emotional, King of Cups, you went to unstable effort. You also see that a water sign is unstable effort. Now you want to pack up and you want to go. You want to leave the situation. This could be a sister that did this to you, because Princess of Pentacles, okay, it's children or it's siblings. Yep, caused a third party, broke the heart. A sibling did this to the King of Pentacles. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's pure jealousy. So your siblings are even jealous of you because you was actually living a better life at one point. So you got the Knight of Swords to the King of Pentacles. Something is rushing in towards you. Something is rushing in towards you. What's rushing in towards Taurus? Ooh, and it's coming fast. It is coming fast. Something is rushing in towards you fast. What is this? Let me pick this up. Give me a minute. Yeah, this is what happens when you hurt good people for bad people. You get stuck in with the bad people. So we have swiftness here, which this is communication, or this is coming towards. Something's changing with the swiftness. There's a strong shift. What's the swiftness, Allah, with the Eight of Wands? For Taurus, here you are. Taurus. Devil. With the swiftness. So, could be a Capricorn involved. A Capricorn could be coming towards you. Or, this is devil energy. This is greedy, materialistic, drug addiction, substance abuse, secret perversities, sex addictions, possessiveness, like obsessive behavior, okay? And this is just negative energy, and it's coming straight back to you, Taurus. So whatever you put out, and this isn't for all Tauruses, so please don't try to make it fit. Whatever you put out there in your life towards that earth angel that helped you, that tried to build with you, all that devil energy is surrounding you now. You made an offer. What was this offer with this Knight of Cups for Taurus? Oh, that offer brought judgment. Ooh, ouch. That offer brought judgment. Damn. With the swiftness, too. Devil energy. Taurus, this is your reading. Now the justice isn't blinding. The justice is wide open. God's seen everything. Now things is going to be balanced out. Ouch. There's going to be nothing but burdens here. Scorpio energy. There's going to be a death. There's burdens. Okay, there's going to be endings. God is going to strip you, these karmic people, and whoever else is involved. Because the Queen of Wands was the blessing here. So you're getting stripped. You're supposed to build some clarity. You're supposed to be rebirthed with this death card to release these burdens. This Queen of Wands is successful. Okay? This Queen of Wands is successful. You tried to wound. You did too. You tried to wound this Queen of Wands success. You, that Page of Pentacles, whoever else is involved. You tried to bring this nuisance to this Queen of Wands, and this Queen of Wands then moved on. This Queen of Wands is happy. Okay? So you and your people try to come after this Queen of Wands. That wasn't smart. All the vicious, the Queen of Swords in reverse is someone that puts bad things out in the airwaves, like betrayals, gossip, jealousy, snickering like the devil, okay? Thinks that what you're doing is justified, but it's blinded, okay? So there was vicious gossip, there was vicious gossip, betrayals, okay? You and these people talk bad about this Queen of Wands, and it wasn't smart. Here's the Queen of Pentacles here. So we have the King of Pentacles and we have the Queen of Pentacles. So you work heavy with another earth sign. Could be a Virgo, it could be another Taurus, or it could be a Capricorn. You work side by side to cause vicious lies and betrayals upon this Queen of Wands that was actually the blessing and that you was actually happy with, stable with. This Queen of Pentacles wanted you to walk away just for the Eight of Pentacles. Your finances, your stability. You worked with the wrong people. Now, it's a lot of fighting and arguing going on. Yep. God is working on 3 people. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Why is the Hierophant here with the 3 of Pentacles for Taurus? Yeah, you're getting dealt with behind the deception. You guys are in the 5 of Cups energy. Loss of value, loss of friends, loss of loved one, loss of marriage, loss of value behind the deception. Even your friends. Even your friends. Your karmic friends, your karmic buddies. Y'all all teamed up against this Queen of Wands and you thought that you guys were untouchable. That Queen of Wands been turned her back. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius been turned her or his back. Okay? And put in the work. Literally, this fire sign knew what he or she had to do in their world to be stable. Okay? Their life was a blueprint. Everyone thinks that this fire sign does everything correctly because this fire sign thinks before he or she speaks or thinks before making a plan, weighing out the pros and the cons. Okay? This fire sign has contacts in high places. So this fire sign turned his or her back and healed. Even healed emotions. Their own emotions. They're emotionally balanced. While you're over here stuck in the 7 of Cups and dark energy because everything that was placed upon you from your family, karmic friends, was an illusion. So now, hopefully, with that Ace of Swords that you seen earlier, you're waking up, realizing that you held back from the Empress. Okay? You held back. You held back that stability. Okay? You knew what it was. As a matter of fact, with the Queen of Swords in reverse, you plotted an argument with this fire sign here just to get out of a marriage, a union, a connection, to go work with the devil. Who does that? And you've done it several times till God had to step in. God said, this is Allah, said, Shahatan, yeah? You got room down there? How many? 7 to 10. Yep, I got room. Go gather your agents. Go gather the minions and drag them to hell. And this is why you're going through this. You're restricted now. Yep. Allah dropped the cage on you and told Shahatan to come and collect. Show me more, Allah. You got the Two of Pentacles and you got the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. And there's a lot of conflict over lost money, because the Nine of Pentacles in reverse is embezzlement, mishandling of funds, juggling finances. Okay, that was the whole point. So now you're going after, you're arguing, full of conflict, you're going against the people that was jealous. Now you're waking up and you realizing, because you're holding the sword right here, Taurus, that these people was jealous of your person, which you knew that. This is not new. You knew that your family was jealous of your person. You knew that your friends was jealous of you. You knew that you was being a karmic tyrant energy. So now, when your person was asking you what's going on in the relationship, you wanted to rush in angrily, being prejudiced, shrewd, okay? You just wanted the Three of Cups. You wanted that freedom, right? You wanted that freedom. So you got it. You wanted to put in work with these past people, so they worked on you. Three of Swords, your heart is broken now. That's what you went towards. That's what you went towards. This is the message. You better wake up towards your family, Ten of Pentacles, family and friends. You can't keep going down this road with these people. It's been ongoing. Yep. So the witchcraft is going back because that's somebody's decision to control you, right? You wanted to control this earth angel, and you have no control over yourself. Interest in your finances. Now there's money problems. There's money issues, okay? Yeah. Thanks to this Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups and these Three of Pentacles here, it's over. You're fighting back, though. Ooh. This is the illusion. You walked smack dead into an illusion created by your family and your side hoe that you had for years. You woke up too late. Your family been doing this to you for so damn long, and you let them do it. Sure enough, you let them do it. You let your family in this female that you basically lied on God. You called God a liar for covering up what you did in the dark, and now it's brought to the light. And God says, I'm sick of you. I'm sick of your family. I'm bringing judgment, and I'm bringing everything down. Yeah. Yep. Because it is Queen of Pentacles here. Ooh. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim brought judgment. You all are going down. You cannot hurt a good person and get away with it. Now you're feeling left out in the cold because you've been exposed. But you gotta wake up. You gotta wake up. So your family, your friends binded you to them. Yep, to give them money. Yep, it was all for money. Your family don't even really like you like that. They don't care about you. It's all what you can do for them. Because from what I'm seeing, they've been bringing your tower down for a long time. Very long time. And look, got you in the Nine of Swords energy. Got you in your head. You got to gain strength and courage. It's your faith and your belief. You don't believe in God fully. Because God won't let you get touched. Especially if he's using you as a catalyst, because some Tauruses have a life purpose here. Your family don't want you to have it. Your family don't want you to live out your life purpose. And you have to take accountability. You let them do it. From what I've seen, this raggedy family just brought harm. That's it. This is a raggedy, dysfunctional family, and they're watching. You're watching with them too, just watching, consistently watching, okay? What that Empress doing? What's she doing? What he doing? What that Emperor doing? What's going on? What are they doing next? Full of anger. That's what's around you, full of anger. Because you was a two-faced lover to your person. You made your person feel damn sad. Okay? Because in your past that you went back to, you was visiting someone. You always had a secret relation out there. So you lost. You ran out of time. The lies is catching up to y'all. Falseness, death, Scorpio energy. You gambled your life for some damn heathens. So maybe Allah said, well, Taurus, you're a karmic. You do karmic things. You didn't want that good life. So I'm going to place you back straight to hell. Now you remember where you come from. You even try to compete with your person. You try to hurt your person in every type of way. Now you lost. You lost the officer. You lost the official person. You got money in reverse. Show me more for Taurus. Why is money in reverse with officer? Yep. Jealousy, envy. Somebody went spying on your person. Somebody went spying on your person and seen that they were happy. My whole thing is like this. Okay, now you see the love that you was getting in your marriage. Now you see it because your person that you was in a relationship with or married with ain't there. Okay? Somebody's going to pass away behind this death magic going back, and your sisters, your mother, your auntie, your cousins, whoever, your mistress, they were sending this energy to this earth angel that you was married to. And God said, you're not touching this individual. What's going to happen is there's going to be an older man, a father figure that's going to pass away. Look. See, the whole plan was for you to pass away because your family always tried to sacrifice you. Sacrifice that took from you. Okay? Be prepared to lose a father or a stepfather. And it's going to be misfortune. You're going to get a message of someone very, very sick. It's a message of misfortune because it's judgment. Sorry to say it, prepare for a funeral because it's coming. Because somebody stole a lot. You possibly took a lot from your person. And now people are taking a lot from you. You didn't believe in karma before. Yep, look. Enemy and money. Yep, enemy, money, and thief. It's because of what you did. What you did, and you didn't fix it. You didn't fix it. You didn't fix nothing. You didn't heal anything with the person that was there for you the most. Okay? So the hope and desire is now this sweetheart, because you see the sweetheart is the gift, but this sweetheart moved on. So there's no text message, there's no conversation, there's no nothing. You refuse. You refuse to fix it. So God said, don't try now. Don't you try. Sit in hell on earth and reap what you sow. Okay? We got Milady here. What is Milady here? And we got Baby. We got Journey. So, somebody is going to be expecting a blessing, or somebody's having a baby. Okay? Somebody's going on a new journey. Somebody could be in labor, or somebody could be pregnant. Somebody cheated. Infidelity. So if you was with somebody that was pregnant and they had the baby isn't yours. So we got house in upright, and we got unexpected joy in reverse. So somebody's been playing around, got pregnant, and the baby isn't yours. Infidelity is there. The third party energy is there. So if you was cheating on your person for a long period of time, somebody that you got with was cheating on you. Somebody was messing with the dead, using that black magic crap. Okay? And because somebody was putting death magic on you and your person, oh yeah, your family was jacking you up with that death magic. Kill everything. Kill success. Kill his brain, her brain. Keep him or her in the fog. Okay, the siren's going off now. Show me more, Allah. Somebody's having an outer body experience. Rosa Cabrera. Somebody is having an outer body experience. You crossed a whore. You kept crossing the same whore. You kept, whether the whore is a man or a woman, you kept crossing the same damn whore. And you denied this person so much. You were acting shady because of this whore. Nightshade acting shady. You was actually protecting the whore for a very long time. Well, she placed voodoo binding spell on you, along with your siblings. Yeah, they thought they had power over you. They don't have power over the earth angel, but they have power over you. They blocked your chosen path. Your chosen path came out in reverse. And now you're trapped with demons, right along with your toxic family, your karmic Jezebel, your karmic friends. You all have demons attached to you. That's what you preferred over living a life with your person. Yeah, now you all are playing victim here. You all are the merits now, playing victim, blaming each other, and yeah, it is all you guys fought, okay? But you see, there's a demon that's leading you, pulling on you. That's what's attached to you. This is what your family and your friends had did, okay? pulled you away from your stability. And now you got demon attachments. You all are under judgment. This is justice. You have to go through a rebirth. You have to make changes. Because you're transcending further into darkness. You got to be strong. You got to pray. I'm telling you, man. See, that owl is literally like snatching someone's soul out. There's no hope. Somebody went and had this done, even went and paid for it. They didn't only do it themselves, they went and they saw a merchant to get this done. They only hung themselves, okay, by that tree of life. You guys hung. That was a decision. Now you're in grief. You woke up too late. Look, here's the two sisters. Here's the other ones that helped. Could be two sisters, two brothers, two cousins, two friends. Yep, now it's nothing but melancholy. You cross that bridge into the depths of hell. You was being hunted by your family, because you're these family friends, okay? They're playing saints. They playing like they didn't do anything, but you know your family. You gotta get your consciousness back, okay? Because they had you walking around unconscious. You gotta get your subconscious back going. They're walking around like saints. They were hunting you the whole time. Your family members are black widows. They bring destruction to anybody. They want you to transition. So, all of y'all better remember what you have done. And now, y'all all stalking your person, your ex, the whore, your mistress, your family members, whoever that is around that's karmic femmes. They're stalking your person. Your person is not even paying attention to these people. So there's clearly something wrong, because your person is innocent. Your person lived by the book. You people dislike that earth angel because of her righteousness, or his righteousness and innocence. Like, this person that you was with is not gonna mess up their destiny, but this is what you teamed in to take from this earth angel. Now God is taking away your destiny, okay? All of y'all, whoever's attached, you guys' chosen path is blocked now. You got dancer here. The dancer, you dance with the devil in the pale moonlight. And now you all are going on a journey. Chastity. Yeah, you left your person for a prostitute, man. That's crazy. Yeah, that was one of your old divine lovers, okay, from your past. You know that she was nasty. That's why you went towards her, because she'll do anything that she or he would do anything your person will not do. Okay? Yeah. You're sitting there watching tarot. You're watching tarot, your people are watching tarot, and then you're stalking, okay? You're stalking your person. Now you realized you gambled your life away, and you're having introspection, because now you're living through nothing but chaos, because you try to use your earth angel, okay, an ordained partner. You try to use them as a scapegoat and talk bad about them, just disrespect them, treated them like shit. Okay, and now it's being done to you. You ended up to be the scapegoat, giving away money, giving away your energy and time to the devil. Okay, and now you want a reunion. You want a reunion with your person. And also, whoever you went back to, whoever you had a reunion with, that whore that sells her chastity, got you going to the doctors because you guys did something when y'all got real drunk. And now you have something you can't get rid of. Okay? So the heart hurts right now. You could be having heart complications behind all the substance abuse that was used, and now you're praying to God. You're praying to God with pure heart, but God says your heart ain't pure yet. You're the traveler. You left a mother and child. You mistreated the innocent. You have to sit in purgatory and give more energy to the higher power. You owe a karmic debt. Okay, you all who backstabbed and hurt innocent people. Okay, you all have a retribution to pay, karmic debt, because you sat around like the poet and talked bad and ill will upon innocent people. You chose to give your person up for an offering, a mother and child. That mother and child is a galactic person, a star seed. The people that you went to will sacrifice their own children, and they have. Now you realize your person was the blessing. You separate ways. And the sorcerer that you people hired, the witchcraft that you did, had somebody going on a spiritual quest. And now it's the lost. Look, here it is again. Now you all are lost. There's a confession here. This confession is going to bring a lot of consequences. Somebody's stuck in between earth and hell. Somebody's going to the grave for making a deal with this devil, because that earth angel's ancestors done shine the light on it. So whoever went to the sorceress, whoever burnt some root, so whoever did that magic, y'all all suffering behind it. And I'm told, don't switch energies. The only way you can get out of this is to heal the situation, get back your strength, open your eyes and your ears, and realize you was taken advantage of, just like you took advantage of your person. So the outcome, what's the outcome? So I can close this out. What's the outcome for Taurus? Justice behind your decisions, behind your choices. What's the outcome? The Nine of Swords. That's the outcome. Yep, that's the outcome. What you planned for this Princess of Wands, what you all did to this Princess of Wands, it's all happening to y'all now. You reap what you sow. You can't get out of it. You gotta finish this karmic debt out. Sucks. Sorry that you have to go through this. Hope everything gets better for you. I really, truly do. Wake up. Gain back your strength. Put your foot down. That's what you have to do. But how many times are you going to put your foot down with your own family and your own friends and the karmic person that you had in the background? To me, justice has been served. When I see abuse towards an innocent person, when I see all what I just saw, you reap what you sow.